This morning, we're going to make a simple sausage and egg breakfast sandwich. We're going to start by taking a crispy roll, buttering it, and frying. Going to do that for both halves. Add some cheese slices for each one. We're going to put these in the oven to let the cheese melt a bit. With some of the cheese melted on the bun, we can now add in here a little pork patty on top. To this, we can now add 2 fried eggs. And we'll spice it up a little bit with a little habanero hot sauce. And of course, our second cheesed bun. Put that on top there. Then we're going to plate it with some well-seasoned potato slices. These have been partially fried, then baked. Add a little side of ketchup, and ready to go.